everyone, welcome back to AutoZone 5, where we bring you the best and most exciting two-wheelers from around the world. Today, we're taking a closer look at a legendary nameplate that's been reborn with vintage charm, the Suzuki Thunder. 125 Retro. If you love retro-styled motorcycles with modern reliability, this one's for you. Let's dive into everything you need to know about this nostalgic yet practical machine, from its design and specs to price and performance. 1. Design and styling, a nod to the past. The Suzuki Thunder 125 Retro is a treat for vintage bike lovers. It proudly embraces the old-school charm with its round headlamp, chrome fenders, and teardrop fuel tank. The bike's silhouette pays tribute to the classic cafe racer and street bikes of the late 80s and early 90s. Its upright stance, minimalist bodywork, and retro touches like the analog speedometer and spoke wheels instantly make it stand out from the crowd of modern commuters. The matte and gloss paint options, especially in black, maroon, and navy blue, look elegant and premium. This is a bike that doesn't scream for attention, but earns it through pure style and character. 2. Engine and performance, smooth and reliable. Under the tank, the Suzuki Thunder 125 Retro carries a 125cc, air-cooled single-cylinder engine that produces around 11 horsepower and 9.5 Nm of torque. It's mated to a 5-speed manual gearbox, offering smooth and predictable gear shifts. Now, while this bike isn't built for racing or aggressive riding, it's got enough pep for city commuting and light highway cruising. It can comfortably reach speeds up to 90-100 km/h, making it ideal for everyday use with a touch of vintage fun. The Thunder 125's engine is known for being highly reliable and fuel efficient, delivering an impressive mileage of around 45 to 55 km/h, depending on riding style. Comfort and ride quality. One of the Thunder 125 Retro's strongest points is its riding comfort. The upright handlebars, wide seat, and mid-set foot pegs make for a relaxed and comfortable riding posture. Whether you're commuting in the city or going for a weekend ride, this bike keeps fatigue at bay. The suspension setup includes telescopic forks at the front and dual shock absorbers at the rear, tuned more for comfort than sportiness. It soaks up bumps and potholes with ease, which is perfect for urban and semi-urban roads. The seat is long and flat, providing enough room for both rider and pillion. The build quality feels solid, and the chrome touches add a nice premium feel. 4. Features and technology. While the Thunder 125 Retro isn't overloaded with features, it gives you just the essentials with a touch of classic appeal. You get analog, speedometer and odometer, halogen headlight, electric start and kickstart, spoke wheels, drum brakes. Some variants may offer front disc. This minimalistic approach is what makes it feel so authentic. It's a simple machine that gets the job done without overcomplicating things. 5. Price and availability. Now let's talk about the price. The Suzuki Thunder 125 Retro is currently priced around PKR $270,000 to PKR $300,000 in Pakistan, depending on the dealership and location. For this price, you're getting a reliable commuter with timeless styling. In some Southeast Asian markets like Indonesia and the Philippines, the older versions of the Thunder 125 have cult status, and this retro rebirth is gaining traction among classic bike lovers and new riders alike. Ig's final verdict. Who is it for? So who should buy the Suzuki Thunder 125 Retro? This bike is perfect for commuters who want a stylish daily ride, beginners looking for a light, manageable motorcycle, retro lovers who appreciate timeless design, riders who want a fuel-efficient and reliable bike with old-school charm. It may not have the latest gadgets or sporty performance, but it wins hearts with its personality, comfort, and simplicity. Outro. That's all for today's review of the Suzuki Thunder 125 Retro. Let us know in the comments. What do you think of this bike? Would you choose it over modern 125cc competitors? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AutoZone 5 for more awesome bike and car reviews every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride.